toys in Playland.
We're ready for our Skylander Egg Hunt Challenge. I need you guys to find an egg and bring it back, and we'll see what Skylander's inside. Ready? Go!
Bring it back!
Okay, Junie, what Skylander do you think is inside?
A whirlwind.
Whirlwind? Okay, open it up.
Who is it?
His name is... we never remember.
Blast!
Astro Blast. He's the light element, so he's really special. What element do you think yours is, Henry?
Earth.
Earth. You think it's the earth element. Let's see what's inside. Who is it?
Lovely Raptor and Lovely Raptor.
You have one from... Is this the Giants game?
Yeah.
And one from the...
Swap Force.
Swap Force.
Hey, Ginny, you ready for another one? Okay. On your mark. And let's go. Ginny, can you grab it?
No, I can't.
Okay, let's get it. Did you find it? Awesome. Okay, take it back.
What Skylander do you think's inside?
Spitfire.
Spitfire.
See?
Oh,
Whirlwind.
yep, it's whirlwind.
And she's air.
Yeah.
She's wind.
Hey, June, what do you think's inside your egg? Do you know what that means? Okay, open it up. Wait, what is that? Wow, you're right, it was Swap Force. Collector cards. Who's gonna be inside? Rattle Shake from the undead element. He says, go ahead, snake my day. Hot dog. Do you remember what hot dog says? Yeah. This is not a character card, it's something else. It says Trump on this. Look at those Trumpies! Freeze Blade, keeping it cool. And this is a piece of a bigger picture. You have to collect more. Rattle Buckler. Hey, two Rattle Bucklers, but they sure look different, don't they? They're two different kinds of cards.
Shake.
Oh, Rattle Shake. Oh, of course, because look, it's Swap Force. So he's Rattle Buckler, which means that he's rattlesnake mixed with washbuckler for in the game Swap Force. Cool! Junie, you found the special egg that had the cards inside it. Awesome, but there are more Skylanders to find.
Look, dude. Oh, awesome. Okay. Junie, who do you think's inside?
Silent but deadly? Who says that?
Still filmy.
Still.
Who is it?
It's still elf.
Yeah, it's a stealth elf inside. Cool. Okay, Henry, you ready to go? Chop, chop. You love.
Okay, one more to go. You do it?
Yeah.
Ready? Go!
Did you find it? There it is. Okay.
What do you think's inside? It's gotta be small.
I
It's a
small.
egg. I small? It's I small. Henry, it's red on the bottom. What does that mean?
It's from Trap Team.
Trap Team! I small! Hey!
It's dope.
Hey! High five!
It's
Fun game!
dope.
Did you like that?
It's dope.
How do you give your teammate a high five?
It's dope.
High five. You give your brother a high five. We had fun looking for Sky